Okay, what if your Vlogmas intro this year is you getting a Vlogmas tattoo with Mia?
Ash, I'm not gonna get a tattoo.
Can I have a spinach feta wrap?
Can I get a venti iced coffee with a splash of almond milk? And then can I also get a blueberry oatmeal? And then a protein box.
And a protein box.
You got it. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right, Ashley. 24.40.
Thank you.
Okay, but why does this flower right there look like a freaking demogorgon? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas. Is it day 5? It's weird because it feels like it's gone by so quick, but at the same time, I'm like, how is it only day 5? We've almost been a week.
Slow.
That's crazy. Slow. Obviously, Ash and I are at Starbucks.
Doing nothing.
Don't forget to ask them if they can write a message.
It's too late.
No, they can do it at the thing.
You have to tell them.
Be like, hey, can you write a message on the cup?
I feel like every time we do this, I'm the one that has to ask.
Because it's whoever's driving.
Yeah, but you
want me to? I'll ask.
Wow.
I'm tired. Like, need caffeine right now. Also, I didn't intentionally do this side part, but like, kind of liking it.
Rosie kept us up last night.
Rosie kept us up. Tired. Rosie got sick last night, so I was on the phone with the dog toxology department because she got into a Keurig cup, and caffeine is very bad for dogs. That happened. We're fine. But most importantly, she is fine. So we're just tired. That's all. Also, guys, I'm wearing the Target pants that I got yesterday. So far, kind of love, especially for 25 bucks. Like, I'll show you better when I can stand up.
You moved your leg and it was just like...
Yeah, it's the one thing about leather pants.
Can I help you?
I'll just wait for you to vlog.
Me to vlog?
Aren't you gonna... I mean,
I'm gonna vlog when this comes.
Oh, sorry. I'm not trying to creative direct your vision or anything.
I mean, that's what it felt like.
We have a very big day today. This has been years in the making. Let me get my coffee, wake up a little bit, and we will explain. Because I know you see the title, and I know you see the thumbnail, and you're like, what the fuck?
All like the morning. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one. You didn't ask them to write them.
Oh, you have to remind
Ash,
me.
no. I reminded you to ask about writing vlogs. No. Here's the thing.
He was so talkative.
He was. You could tell he was like, please save me.
Forgot.
You sped away the second I said you didn't
what
say
am I
it.
gonna do? Hand the cup back?
Yeah, you're gonna be like, wait, I'm so
what
sorry.
What am I gonna do?
Do you have a Sharpie? Yes.
No.
Okay. Need some stevia, but fire.
There's stevia in the dog bag.
Yay!
I will take my spinach feta wrap, please. I don't want the whole bag.
Oh my god.
What am I? I'm driving.
Oh, neither of us are recording. Oh, I am recording. Okay, Alisha has had some food, a little caffeine. It's finally kicked in, ASMR. So, the title is not clickbait, you guys. Little backstory, I bought a new house. And this is something that has been years in the making. This is my first time ever talking about it. And I've never talked about this. For those of you who have watched my channel for a long time, specifically this one, if you remember back in 2018, during Vlogmas, I literally had this realization this morning. I actually vlogged touring houses for my parents. It's genuinely been one of my biggest dreams and desires to help them move and buy a new house. Here we are! Genuinely so insane, so crazy. Anyways, point being, throw back to my 2018 Vlogmas where we were actually touring houses. That was 3 years ago. In my head, 2018 was last year. Yeah. Like, I really feel like the whole, pandemic.
The panini
grill. Fucking, I wish I had panini grill right now. Anyways, this has obviously been a long time coming. We didn't even really show the process of us looking at this house or getting it. It happened very fast, and it was such a huge blessing that the way that it happened. They officially got the keys last week and they moved in, and this is our first time not seeing it, but it's our first time going after they've moved, and I am so excited. We're gonna help them unpack, and yeah, I'm genuinely like, is this adulting things?
This
like,
is adulting
this is
things.
adulting things.
We even have the kids in the back.
I know, we got the girls in the back, as you heard from Starbucks. But okay, let's go see it. Hello! This is crazy! Okay, wait, why is the lighting so good? BRB moving in. I don't know why it feels like they've been here this whole time. Like, it just feels so smooth and peaceful and like, are you so excited, Chloe? Chloe make it. See, people think I hate Chloe. She runs away from me. Are you excited for Grandma and Grandpa? Yeah. This is insane. Okay, let me show you around. Here's the kitchen. Oh my gosh. Obviously there's like boxes galore still. We have lots to do, lots to unpack. Also LOL. If anyone watched like old Vlogmases too, you'll notice a lot of furniture of ours that we've given our parents over the years. Like the wooden table from the apartment is in the garage. My favorite part, the backyard. Look it. Hey Theo, oh baby. He's limping so bad. He has surgery tomorrow because he has a problem with his paw. Oh, Bubba. He's okay, we'll feel better. Hey Rose. I know, hi Theo. Hi Bug. Ah, it's crazy how it still feels like home. Also, Ashley is practicing drums. If it's loud. Mama.
Hey! Oh. Wait.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
You look great. You look beautiful.
Hey.
Can you believe 3 years ago we were looking at the other 3 years ago?
I know, 3 years.
Now you're here.
Here we are, new home.
We're gonna have Christmas here.
We are, and it feels like really official because you guys are here today.
Yeah, I feel like it like I don't know. It's just weird.
I know,
It's weird. I love it.
feels peaceful, it feels like home,
Yeah.
it feels all comforting.
Celsius flavor of the day, we're having grape. My only problem is I've definitely, ooh, what, no, you don't need that. I've been having these a little late, so I feel like I've been not falling asleep. But I did have one at 6 p.m. last night, so that's probably why. My bad. Okay, what's the game plan? Did you want to go to the store or do you want to unbox them? I feel like we should unpack before we put the Christmas tree up. What do you need the most help with?
I guess these boxes, I guess.
Yeah, we can, maybe that can be the goal to get all these gone. Goal is to put food in the pantry. Does it feel so weird to actually have a pantry?
Yeah.
Like you've never had a pantry.
I know, never.
Any specific way?
Nope, any way you like.
Do you even like corn chowder?
No. I don't even know why I have it.
I just realized I haven't even shown you guys upstairs yet. What you doing?
I'm going to be taking off all the plastic.
Oh. Did you see these blinds?
Yeah, they go.
They're
down.
so dope.
It's really cool. It's nice because like you could like block out the house
Yeah.
to see the sky.
Here's the master bath. Me. These are the blinds. I'm sure the rest of the world knows about these. I had never seen reverse blinds like this, so that way you can kind of like still have privacy. Not me ruining it, oh no. That way you can still have privacy but still let light in. Huh, tea. Then you come down the hall. Obviously it's very messy because there's a lot of the girls. Sorry guys, you have to wait. This is gonna be the music room. Also a mess right now, but we will fix that. to. We are unpacking.
Like that.
Okay.
You try.
That's so bad.
That's it. It's more an advanced one. So you've got your Pat Boone, Debbie Boone.
Pat Boom, Debbie Boom.
You have all your flams all the way around now.
Yeah.
And you have your diggity diggity dat, diggity diggity dat, diggity dat. And now you have a fourth one. Trick with the hi-hat is like lay into it, like don't do it easy.
Is that my problem? Okay, update. It is 5:49 p.m. We actually got quite a bit done. Good job, team. All the boxes are gone here. Christmas tree's up. There's still some stuff here, but honestly, like, it's really not bad. Also, I kind of love these light bulbs. I feel like when we tried to make ours lighter, it looked too like blue, but maybe it was just next to the yellow ones. Because I love this. This is
all
great lighting.
Natural daylight, it's called.
Not me about to change all my ceiling lights.
You could, they're really cheap too.
But it's just so much like, it's just nicer. I don't like yellow light. Anyways, Ash and I are gonna head out soon. Ruh-roh, who got you?
Gamma Ma. Gamma's got you.
Mom, everyone wants to see you in the vlogs more.
They do?
Yeah, they're... Yeah, because in the last vlog where you were like so excited to get your hair done because
Yeah.
was gonna do your hair, everyone was pissed because they're like, you didn't show us the final look for Hamilton.
Oh, that's sweet.
I know. Okay, my battery's about to die and we're gonna pack up and head out. So see you at home. Hey guys, we're home and my camera's downstairs charging and the memory card is importing all of the footage from today. So we're ending the vlog on my phone right now. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. This one was an extra special one and I'm excited to have more home decor and stuff the next time we go out there. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. Love you so much. Okay, bye.